TrulyFun Toys.
Oh wow, an egg! I wonder what could be inside. Let's find out by crack, crack. Wow, there was a little egg in there. And look, he has his little tongue out. Oh look, 3 more eggs just appeared. Wow, I wonder if there's some more little baby eggs in there. Let's crack open this green egg first. Let's crack, crack. Now the blue one. Another egg. Now let's do the red egg. Crack, crack. Another egg. All our eggshells are empty, which means we have 4 eggs in our bowl. But that's funny. Our carton takes 6 eggs. 2 more eggs. I wonder if those are our 2 missing little eggs. Let's crack. Let's see what's in the red egg. Our last egg! Wow, there were 6 small eggs inside all of those bigger eggs. Do you know what these eggs would be perfect for? Making a cake! Let's start with the color pink. Let's crack it open. Wow, look at that! It's a cute little chick inside. And now for our next egg. How cute! This one is green. Look at that! A cute little green chick inside. Let's match its shape. A heart! There's the heart. Great job! Look at our next egg. It's the color orange. Aw, what a cute little orange chick. Let's match its shape. This chick has a circle shape. Do you see our circle shape? There it is. Good job. Aw, this egg is smiling. Blue. This little chick is the color blue. And it's a star shape. Do you see our star? There it is. Look at all those yolks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's grab another egg. Ooh, this one's got a spooky face. Let's crack it open. It's the color yellow. A cute yellow chick. What shape does it have? A square, that's right. Let's find the square in our egg carton. There's only 2 spots left. There's the square. Just 1 more egg. I wonder what color our next egg will be. It has a cute little purple face on it. I wonder if the little chick inside is purple too. It is purple, my favorite color. It has a little cross symbol. Let's match it up. There's our shape. There's our carton, all full with all our little chickie friends. We have green, pink, blue, yellow, purple, and orange. Aw, look at them all together again. They're so happy. Now that we're done with our chicks, we can close it up and put them away. Now let's mix it up. There, that'll do it. Good job mixing with me. Let's add some yummy fruit. We just need our wood cutting board and our wood knife. First, let's chop up some banana. We just need a little slice. Here we have some pineapple. We have 2 pieces of pineapple, but we only need 1. So let's cut it in half. There we go. Good job. Let's add it to our bowl. here's a delicious strawberry. And we have 2 pieces. Let's cut it in half so we have one for our bowl and one to eat later. Let's put it in. Here's some orange slices and we need both, but let's cut them in 2 pieces so it's easier to blend. 1, 2. Perfect! Our last fruit, and it's brown. I wonder what it could be. Do you know what fruit this is? I think it's a kiwi. Let's cut it in half to see if it's green inside. It is! It is green inside. This brown fruit is a kiwi. Let's put one of the 2 pieces in our bowl. Now let's add a little bit of sugar to our cake to make it a bit sweet. 2 shakes will be enough. Now let's add 1 slice of butter. We have 2, so let's cut it into 2 pieces. There we go, 2 pieces. Let's put one in our bowl. And finally, some magic cake mix. Okay, it's time to mix it all up. That should be good. Let's check and see what our cake looks like after we mixed all those colorful yolks and all those different colored fruits. Look at that, it turned brown. When you mix all those different colors and all those different fruit, you get the color brown. All that's left to do is bake our cake. Let's go put it in the oven. There's our oven. Now let's pop this cake in and be patient while it cooks. It's done. While our yummy cake cools down, let's make some hot chocolate. Here's our hot chocolate maker. I want a big cup of hot chocolate to go with my cake, so I'm going to turn the dial to the cup with lots of hot chocolate in it. Now all we do is put our mug underneath and hit our button. All done. Now let's give it a stir and set it aside. Let's make another cup for you. Let's make you guys a cup with a little less hot chocolate. Now let's grab our cup and put it under. Let's give this one a stir too. Now we have 2 cups of hot chocolate to go with our yummy cake. I also made some yummy chocolate chip oatmeal cookies and some hot pretzels to go with our snack. I had so much fun cracking all those eggs and finding out which color was hiding inside. I also had fun mixing it up, making a cake, and having hot chocolate too. If you liked this video too, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching!